Got our neck in place. We're going to go ahead and torque our main bolt down here. We're going to go 100 foot-pounds on this. And we've got that done and in place. So next we're ready for our lower tree. And before we put the tree in, we need to pack some grease up inside the tree and the bearing. So we want to fill that up with some grease there. We like a high temp grease just because of the heat of the sun and so on and so forth. We'll also put a little bit up in here in the race. Alright. So this tree has built-in bump stops, so the V will, you can see it has built-in bump stop clamp bolts to the front. For our spanner nut here. Take our spanner wrench, and many people say different things on torquing these and so on and so forth. I've always went myself on feel. I tighten down and then back off a little bit. Rotating in between, working that grease in there. We're just going to back off just a hair on that. When it gets to the point it feels like it's binding just a little bit, just back off about a quarter turn there. And that feels pretty good. Now this is a Roadmaster, so this is a fairing model bike. So the tree clamp bolts will face towards the tank. Tree clamp bolts towards the tank, which will offer up the drilled and tapped holes for the fairing mount assembly. So the tree goes back on. Now you will be reusing your spanner nut, washer, and factory nut on these. Then we're going to torque this one down to 70 foot-pounds. Meter. Now at this point we're ready to put the forks in, depending on if you're doing air ride or reutilizing your factory forks. So this will kind of conclude our video for the bolt-on neck kit. Again, we have the mounting pieces for the front fairing that we'll be able to put on here, so you'll be able to utilize those. So we appreciate watching our video on the install of this product. Again, vicbaggers.com. Give us a like on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all those social media sites. So you guys have a great day. Thank you.